Hello, hello, hello. Morning, everyone. Yeah, I'm back. Sorry for the last week. Last week it was only like 2 streams. Should be 4, but yeah. I got cold, so wasn't really able to work and stuff. So yeah, but now I'm feeling better. So yeah, we're back on working. Continue our work on the game. So according to changes, I didn't do a lot of stuff. Actually, I think I just made some animation. So this is like weird idle animation. It's actually one of the best, I guess. This like falling, just one frame. Jump. Yeah, jump is a weird one. I think we need to rotate this guy. Let's rotate it for now. Because yeah, looks weird. Nope. Like this. I think that should be better. Okay, jump and run animation, which is looks like this. Well, it's not bad. I think it's good animation. It's a bit terrible, but anyway, I mean it's prototyping, so this is fine. I was working on it for like just an hour, and I'm pretty bad in animations. So yeah, but whatever. And for now, I think it's time. Yeah, let's check what's with the game and how it works. The animation is not working yet, so we need to add the player and the state machine, I guess, and all that stuff that should work with animation. Should actually like run those animation. I think that's the plan of what we're gonna do today. And the problem was that because I don't really know how to do that, so I found a video that probably will just follow for now, and we'll see. Yep, here he is.
Showing the idle animation or the walk animations. So let's right click on our player object, go to add child node, do animation tree. So node animation tree. Okay, add that in. You'll notice we get a warning because we have no animation player or animation root.
What?
So let's click on anim player over in the inspector and let's assign the animation player. So the animation tree basically controls the animation player, but the animation player is where we set up the actual animations. The animation tree just kind of helps us pick out which one we want. So in our tree root, let's choose a animation node state machine. So here we're going to be able to set up different nodes that will play back different animations depending on which node it's at. And we can set up the rules for how one node transitions to another, or in other words, how one animation switches over to another one, or when a character is idling, how can it walk instead of idling. So let's add in the animations we have, or well, for right now we'll create it as simple single animations, but later you should be able to use a blend space 2D so that if your character's walking right or up, it'll switch between idle right or idle.
I don't think we need that.
Walk right for right now, so we'll just keep it simple. I'm going to add an animation, idle right, and I'm going to left click and add an animation, walk right. So by default, we want to start with idle animation.
Okay, let's do this real quick. And what we don't have anything actually, so let's choose animation player, and then we need to create the state machine stuff. Okay, add animation. Yes, so we have idle animation, we have run animation, we have jump animation and we have falling animation. Yeah, and let's I don't know what about connecting those stuff, but at least let's place it like this so we can have a lot of interconnections between them. Okay, yeah.
So I'm gonna select idle and then click on this auto start icon over here. So this will be our start for our animation state machine. And let's click over here to connect nodes together so that one animation can switch to another. So I'm gonna left click on idle right, and go to idle right. Okay, so now with our animation tree.
Okay, let's select this as autoplay. Okay, idle to run to idle, yeah, makes sense. And then I think it should have like a lot of connections. Yeah, let's
click on it and set it to be active currently. Okay, so right now it's playing walk right. I'm gonna click on idle right over here, which should be our.
How he do that? Oh, I think done it somewhere here. No. I didn't get it.
Defaults playing walk right and set it to be active currently. So now with our animation tree, let's click on it and set it to
animation
be
tree
active currently.
Yay.
Okay, so right now it's playing walk right. I'm gonna click on idle right over here, which should be our default starting animation. And as long as this is set as auto, it should be where our animation state machine enters the start. So you can switch between them here manually, but really we're going to want to control that with code later on. So for right now, I'm going to right click on our player and we'll add a script, and this will be called player.gd. So let's go ahead and create that. So you can click on the script icon in order to edit the script for our player. And in our player, we're going to want to get reference to the state machine inside of this animation tree. So it's not the animation tree, but really it's this tree root that we're going to get access to. And when you have access to that, you can tell it to travel between the different animations you want to go to. So you can say travel, and then in quotations, walk right, and it will find the shortest path to get to this walk right animation. So up here at the top for our script, I'm going to type in on ready var animation tree, and I'm going to hit equals $ animation tree. So this $ is going to make the script look at our hierarchy.
Okay, so we basically load so we basically load the script. So this is my movement, not the script. So we need on ready var should be animation tree and $ animation tree. Yep.
To find the node that has this exact name, get reference to it, but only on ready, which means when the script first loads. So when we're in the editor, it hasn't actually assigned this to our variable yet, but this will be active when the game starts. So the next thing we want to do is to get access to the state machine. So this would be another onReady var, and we're going to do state machine equals animation tree dot get, and in quotation marks parameters, and then in quotation marks we want parameters, and then in quotation marks we want parameters slash playback. Okay, so the state machine is going to be this animation node state machine, and note that this way of doing things only works if you're going to use a state machine as your playback. The other options like a blend tree aren't going to have the .travel function. So let's start by creating a scene where we'll instantiate a copy of this player onto. So I'm gonna click up here and add a new scene. It's gonna be a 2D scene.
Come on, dude,
I'm going
really?
to rename it test map, I guess. And 0 to these bounds. Project settings. Go up to character's just gonna be animation. We'll travel to the save. So to verify that, let's go back to the player.
Travel idle, right? Okay. I mean, yeah. Let's if it works this way. So on ready var, okay, animation date machine animation tree get parameters playback. Okay, and we just like use travel. How it actually works?
Now we can see immediately after the game starts,
it's on ready, so it runs once, so you need to do that continuously. Okay. Okay, so is jumping, then here will be animations. Is it the use state machine? Yes, state machine travel. Machine travel to jumping. Double jumping the same. Is jump cancelled? Yeah, that's a good point, because velocity animation state machine travel falling. Is it I need to double check. I'm not sure about the naming. Yeah, falling. Okay, also I think I need to add connections more from idle to jump. Oh wait, no. Jump will always go through falling, and falling can go to idle and can go to run, and run can go to jump, but can go to falling. Well, actually it can, when you will be just fall off the ground. So yeah, it also can go this way as well. But I mean, if you stand in, you can't actually fall, right? Because you already stand. But maybe the ground will removes. Oh fuck! Okay, there you go. Okay, let's move to the script. Falling, jump, just jump, not jumping. Is idling. If idling, then animation state machine travel to the idle. And the slide and move, I guess, up direction. I think I need to add the check somewhere here, just to be sure, like when, for example, on the input, so that it's horizontal direction. Is running. Okay, I have is running. If is running. Yep. So animation state machine travel run jump fall in idle. Okay, now let's just test it. Not sure it's gonna work. It's nothing gonna work from the first. Yeah, enough. Okay. Wow. Whoa. Okay. Why you not running, dude? Is running. Jesus Christ. Okay, I think we need to check horizontal direction in this case. Hmm. Mm. Yeah, and in this case, get action straight. Okay, I think is on floor and node is 0 approximately. What? So I think in this case it would be better to have like another state machine here, and we will be just updating the not updating, yeah, updating the state machine. And I mean, let's just test it that it works. Okay, I think is action just pressed. This is gonna be left or you okay with that? Off. Waited. No. Why it don't work? Okay, fallen should start working is not only when jump cancelled, but every single time when it start to fall. Yeah, like here. Okay, so we need to, if is falling, then you're gonna should apply this animation. But I don't know why it's not working. Why it's not working though. Maybe we need to use it like this. Should at least make the changes. So it's like one change in state per one run of this function. Should be a bit better. Okay. Okay, let's test it one more time. Come on, but yeah, now. Oh, nice. But yeah, in this case, I need to apply another jump on a double jump because it cancelled in this case. Yeah, and that's a good point. How to flip sprites, not sprites, but oh, I remember they were just like setting scale -1. Is it will work? If I will set the polygons scale 2, no, this one 1, so this one to -1. Oh yeah. Oh, bones doesn't look good though. Anyway, okay, and I think we need to create like war is running left. Is left? I don't know. So, input var horizontal direction. Is it actually just right minus left? Okay, so in this case, horizontal direction less than 0, right? Is left less than 0, then it will be true, right? And I think if is left, then holy shit, so we oh fuck, can we I think we need to flip the whole player. Shit. And we don't have like regular scale. Node 2D. I mean that's the node 2D, right? Can we already for player? I don't know. Node 2D or this one? Will it work? In this case, player scale. Okay. Can I like IX? No. What about how to yeah, like help node 2D. Where's scale? Where is your scale, dude? Okay, yeah, this is the scale, and it set scale value. Okay, what about set scale? I mean that's all right. Where is set scale? You don't have that? Set scale and value. So it's a vector, right? Yeah. So it just that's get scale. Okay, set scale. This will be player. Oh, fucking hell. Okay, or scale player get scale. Get scale, and this will be like player X. No, fuck, scale. Why you don't have X? You should have it. Yeah, you have it. Jesus Christ. Okay, so but I need 0. Right? Okay. Why? If left Okay, if it could have minus value. What in this case? How should I change that? I mean, normally I can just hard code it, but I could add variable to the script, and it will have like export var scale will be vector 2. At 1 point. Yeah, will it work? No, you don't like it. Why you don't like it? Oh, because you need to these brackets. No. Come on. Why you not working? Okay, so what it's saying? Oh, it says scale already exists. Wait a second. Scale already exists. In this case, I don't need that. Okay, let's have player scale. Player scale. Why you don't like it? Error parsing expression, misplaced built-in type. Okay, you don't like the type. Yeah, I got it. Got it. Can I, ah, shit. Scale X. Okay, I got it. And Y. You're right with that. Okay, village player. Where are these parameters? Where's my script? No, it's not here. Okay, because it doesn't actually work. Scale, set scale. Will this work? No, isn't declared. Yeah, makes sense. What about now? Set scale isn't declared on base vector. Okay, so then we can just use set scale. Too many argument for set scale call. Expected at most 1. Well, what do you mean? Oh, because I need to put the vector 2. And yeah, let's have this player. Okay. Fuck. Right. Scale. Vector 2. Layer scale X. Layer scale Y. Oh. Why you don't like it? This is super cool. What does it mean? The error parsing expression, misplaced built-in type. Maybe it's don't like me because it's built-in type. So you actually, but I mean vector is the same, no? I have like new, I don't know. What about this one? Oh, wait. Now you're fine with it. Okay. This left scale vector 2 0 minus player scale x and player scale y, and in this case we will be just setting the is left, then we use left scale. If it's not left, then we're gonna apply right scale. Are you right scale? Right scale. Why you don't like it? Right scale isn't declared. What do you mean? Right. How did I... Okay. I got it. Okay, clear. Are you alright? Yeah, you're alright. Okay, let's run it. Let's fucking run it. Come on. No! What? Jesus Christ. Holy shit. It's flipping all the time. That's weird. That's weird. Okay, maybe I need to check velocity. Not the... not all this stuff. Because direction could be not so stable, I guess. So maybe let's check the velocity. Velocity and what should we? Y? No, X. I mean, I have no idea. Howdy. Hello, Casper Dragon Wolf. How are you? Shit. Do you see what's going on? Shit. Ah, holy crap. Why it's so broken. Yeah, doing alright. Got cold last week, now feeling better. Yep. What about you, Casper? How are you? Okay, let's just print the velocity so we at least can know what's going on there. No, I trying to actually make so I created the animation and now I working with animation state machine, and I were using a nice little script to jump and movement, and yeah, now I trying to include the animation stuff in my script, and as you can see, it's not really that successful. I'm doing alright, working my OBS overlaying Godot, switching everything to Godot 4. Oh, so you're switching to the 4. Is it that good? I mean, is it like stable now? Oh, hello, Friendmaster 2000. Hey. Welcome to the stream. So should I also test Godot 4? I mean, I still prototyping stuff. Maybe it's better to move there. I don't know. Ah, Jesus Christ. getting there. The only thing that was holding me back was waiting on .NET 6 supporting Godot. Okay, yeah, that's makes sense. But yeah, cool. That's cool. Alpha 15 with .NET 6 support. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Yeah, Friends Master 2000, how are you? Beta 1 should be releasing here soon. Really? Beta? Okay, then I will try beta. Like 100%. Do you see? I mean, it's flipping, but it's flipping all the time. This means... Yeah, I need to save it somewhere. Yeah, I need a state machine. I need another state machine inside my script. Yeah, let me check GitHub Action RPG Godot. I think I saw it somewhere. Yeah, it had one player Godot script. I liked how it was working here. Move, roll, attack. Move, roll, attack. And then we move state function. In which we decide what animation state we should use. And in physics process it will be only delta. Okay, so state move. Yeah, I think I need to, because this is going to be a mess, and I need to create a proper state machine inside here as well. Okay, what's the condition for the flip? So I was checking it. I'm not sure it's right. Like I do the stuff totally randomly. So I was checking horizontal direction, which is just an input. If it's less than 0, then basically we're moving left. So in this case, we should apply the flip. And after that, I start checking velocity, but it's also probably wrong, and it's not working. So I probably still need to check the velocity, but not every frame. I need to save it and leave it as is until the velocity will be 0, I guess, or something like that. Okay. Friend Master 2000. I heard lots of variables and things were just renamed from Alpha 14 to Alpha 15, causing some existing project to break when running in Alpha 15. Well, I think that's the problem with all Alpha stuff, because it's not set in stone yet. So the a lot of stuff can be changed because it's like still development, even when they make this feature freeze, so not a new feature will be added to Godot 4, but it's still alpha. Like all planned and existing features can be changed in the way they, I don't know, like totally randomly. So yeah, I think that's the risk of using the alpha versions, because you're not sure what will be in next revision. It could be all broken. Yeah, alpha isn't finalized. I mean, the beta is also will have a lot of changes, but it will be like more minor changes. at least like more of the changes should be minor, but it also can be included, because for example some tester will found like huge bugs in implementation that you just can't fix right away, so you can actually rework some features and the compatibility will be broken as well. Yeah, that's why you have like LTS in Unity, like long-term support versions, which is really stable, and like normal versions with slight changes. I was listening to a podcast like a few days ago, and the guys were they were developing some game with Unity. And every single time the Unity releases a new version, like even like minor updates, they just pray in gods to update their project to the Unity and just check if it works, because sometimes something goes broken and you need to debug it to find like what caused this problem. Is it was like your code that was working before and it shouldn't been working? So it's, yeah. Oh, welcome to the game development. I mean, it's not only for game development. This happens every single time in the normal software development as well. But yeah. This is all pretty normal, I would say. Okay, state machine. Okay, let's have a enum. How do we have that enum? Okay. Enum. So what states will we have? We will have idle, then we will have move, run. I just thinking, should we have like run left and run right, or just run? In this case we need also idle left and idle right, and then jump. Oh no, that's bullshit. That's not a good idea. Just run, then just jumping. Okay, yeah, running, jumping, falling. Yeah, like this. And then we will have state, and the default state will be idle. Yeah. Default state idle. Okay, on ready. This is animation tree active true. That's fine. We don't need it yet. Okay, and then we need to start this process instead of match state, and we need to do that right here. Match state. How does it? Oh. And it's in the move state. Weird. Idle. That's running. Pass. Jumping. Yes. Yes. Yeah, like this. So, in this case, we need to delta move state. We need to track the detection somehow. So, for example, move state, like when it's applied to move. So we checking. I think that's not. I mean, this is fine. We can track these and change it there, and then we will go back. But what's in our idle? I think in idle. I mean, for example, move and roll. In move, everything could be changed to roll or to attack, and it's only depends on the buttons. But when you're rolling, I think you can't attack in this case. But in our case, when you in idle, you can change state to running, but you also can change state to jumping. And in the same time, okay, so we need to add like a lot of checks, or maybe let's move it or leave it here. I don't like it horizontal direction. And okay, this code just doesn't work. We can delete it. I tested it. It doesn't work. Shit. Where should I process the input? Should I process in process? Handle it there? And then change state or physics process? Crap. Or leave it here? Okay, so right now let's delta float. Okay. Process idle. We'll have delta. Here we will have process running, which also will have delta. Jumping also will have delta as a parameter, and process falling will also have delta as a parameter. Okay. Yeah, that's a huge function. Okay, now let's just copy it. Idle, running, jumping, and falling. Okay, fine. We're fine with it. Now we need to move. Okay, horizontal direction, it's part of running. I mean, it's not part of the running, but good because it should be also part of jumping. Oh, holy shit. It's hard, it's fucking hard. Okay, velocity is failing, is jumping. This we don't need this stuff, but we need this stuff. So let's just copy this and then we will process running. And in the end, I remember we were applying it somewhere, like velocity moved toward. Yeah, well, I think it should do. Maybe, for example here, like we have idle, and we need to check that we start running. So we have this stuff. And then we can say that, okay, the start is running now. And in this case, what about jumping? Where do we have? Okay, velocity is global, so we can use it anywhere, not only in these like small functions. So let's review this. I think I deleted it. So first of all, let's probably apply the velocity in right here. How the comments works? Oh, like this. Okay. Crappy state machine. So we will duplicate a lot of stuff in every state, basically in every process falling, and I don't like it because we will have checks. For example, when we landed in falling, we need to check if we idle and should we switch state to idle. So in this case, I think in the process functions should be only code that change state from something to current state, to the new one. So if the change come from, like, I don't know, from idle, and we change that state, and then this function first call come to running, then this is where this logic should be. So it's like first frame for running. So we need to like apply run animation and everything like that. We shouldn't be checking the state. I think the check of the state of the changes, I think, should be somewhere here. Like, check player, or check player state, and then we check in the state. I think the check state actually can be somewhere here after we apply some movements, because yeah, well, actually the velocity and all this stuff could be also applied inside running and jumping. Yeah, let's think about that. It will be duplicating, like we will have the, like for the same function in the, I mean in this, at least in the third state, in the 3 states of from the 4, but it will be more logical. Okay, let's just for now let's move it so it shouldn't be here then. I don't know what we should do with idle, like it's just plain idle animation, right? Travel, idle, and that's all. I mean, it's for now. Maybe in the future we will add some particles, like breathing. The player will be breathing heavily, and there will be like a fog or like smoky something going from. Okay, I don't like how the camera for me works. Let me. Oh, okay. Do you hear me? Okay, let's just. Where is my NVIDIA broadcast window? Ah, okay. Fuck it. It's broken. Okay, so what about the running process? So in running process, yeah, we will apply the movement. We will, apply the movement and stuff. So for example, what about we remove the running stuff, yeah? Let's remove also this as well, and yeah, let's check player state. Let's add this function as, yeah. I think we will still should have the double jump inside jumping feature, or maybe no. Yeah, I think we can use double jump as a jump state. Yeah. Okay. Let's follow. Okay, and in running process we also need to say animation state machine travel to running. Is that running? What did I? What is there? Run, just run. Cam Goblin. Можна українською. Cam Goblin. I don't know you, dude. Who are you? Who are you? You have a weird name. I don't like it. At first I read it like a Cram Goblin. Like Kremlin Goblin? Really? What? Okay, let's handling player jumping state. And handling player falling state. Okay, let's move this jumping checks here. So yeah, like this. And at first we need to apply the animation. Travel to the jump. And I have it. Jump, yeah. That's cool. А що ти стрімиш? Цікаво. Тут інколи багато людей, які стрімлять Godot, але інколи нікого. Круто. Над чим працюєш? Okay, let's remove this bullshit and yeah. Not sure about this check yet. Let's is double jumping. Jumps made +1 and if jumps made. Okay, I think we need just to add this check. So we will have it somewhere here, I guess. Yeah. О, круто. Linux це круто. Ну, я теж експериментую. До цього я працював на... О, дякую за фоллоу. Дякую. До цього я працював з Unity, але потім почалась ця Godot-манія, і всі почали тікати з Unity і пробувати Godot, тому я теж вирішив, why not? Тому ось переніс свій корявий прототип на Godot, а він не працює зараз. Сорян, не можу показати. Не працює нічого, все зламалось. Може я закінчу сьогодні цю логіку, то покажу тобі, що ти будеш тут. Але... О, рік. Рік це багато, я місяць максимум. Не так багато. Okay, jumping. I don't actually, yeah, well, let's leave it as is. Double jump, let's remove this jump. Double jump. Okay, if jump cancelled, this stuff should be checked in the process. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's leave it for now. Animation state idle. Also the same is falling. No? What about failing? Like process failing? Okay. Yeah. Oh, come on, what? У мене, на жаль, нормальних нема. У мене є одна гра, я робив її на дефолті. І чаю. Зараз якщо я зайду, ні, я туди не зайду. Може я так знайду. Так, я можу себе знайти. Ага, знайшов. А як же я? Добре, в мене, здається, є десь дефолт встановлений, я тобі так покажу. Я робив маленьку гру, демку для чого, господи, для Game Jam на дефолті. Це було майже рік тому. Вони з Яндексом фічерили цей Game Jam. Окей, немає проект. Ось він. І там я робив цю гру. Ну, це взагалі як була проба пера більше. Тому що зазвичай я нічого. Взагалі нічого такого більше не робив. So this is my like first project. Let me, I don't know what to tell you, to show you actually. Let's can I just run it? Okay, it's compiling. So this is just a simple game, really simple game. Yeah, let me turn off this music. So yeah, this is like you need to and this game was made like for browsers and stuff, playing in the web. So you have like waves of the enemies. Oh, go. And now I'm dead. And now I'm watching ad and stuff like that, or checking the results. And then trying one more time. And it's actually have like, I think 9 levels, 9 waves. And after that you will have a fight with a boss. And that's all. That's like my first game that I made. So yeah, made it in like in months or 2 months, I don't know. I think it was like I think it was months for the project. Коротше, робив місяць і навіть виграв 3-є місце в цікаво, у них ще є дефолт. Яндекс. Ну, це все ще було до війни, звісно. Так, ось їхній November. Окей. Півтора місяці. And yeah, was second place. One more tank. I win the second place. So I received this 75 euro Steam gift, and I never received the default merchandise. Never. So yeah, it's actually funny. And it's still here on Yandex. But nobody playing it, so yep. Okay, Friendmaster 2000. I think your code needs state transition. Yes, that's what I planned for this check player state function. Because in this function, I planning to switch the state from one to another. At least I hope so. So yeah, we'll see. Okay. Okay, let me. Так, а які в тебе? В тебе є якісь проекти? Ти вже рік працюєш, це вже достатньо років, ну, достатньо часу, щоб щось зробити. Може і ні, але все-таки. Якщо що, скидай лінки, подивимось. Похвалимо. Ми не критикуємо, ми тільки хвалимо. Окей. Process running. I just need to double check that everything. We apply animation. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Okay, let's move it for now from here to here, and then we clean up. Where's in here? File in use, locked or locking permissions, unable to write the file. What the hell? File is in use. Are you fucking kidding me? Okay, go fuck yourself. This is bullshit. Oh, okay. Let me restart the project, and yeah, let's check what you have. Oh, okay. Oh, this looks interesting. Five-minute experience of a broken mech with unbreakable will. Collect coolant to prevent overheating and don't let the vultures get you. Nice. Let me. Should I download the update or like normal version? Yeah, I think I need to download the update. Or is it is it just updated version? Okay, update. Cool. Okay, where is my Godot? Okay, let's. Yeah, the code is fine. Okay, let me. Wait. Так. Jesus Christ. Hi. Jusius. Окей. Буду знати, як звати. О, це цікаво. В мене вперше на стрімі українська тусовка зібралась. Так, я ж хочу як-то запустити. Вику. Блін, ну вона такий звук атмосферний достатньо. Я хз, як її тепер, як вікно передвинути в правильне місце. Так, а ну. Та ні, вийшло. Так. Я не знаю, чи бачите ви... Так, мені треба окно подвинути, щоб видно було, що взагалі ви бачите. Хоч не біда. Та ні, не виходить. Зусі, ти бачиш, там все гри. Аеровський. Привіт. Привіт. Hold any button, окей. О. Можна стріляти. Така темна атмосфера, що я шарахаюсь в темноти. Хтось в мене стріляє. The city has been locked down and partitioned. Ні, пішов до сраки. О, ще. Нахрен. Який-то хардкор виживач. Нуль відсотків. Нахрен. Пішов в сраку. О. Ти мене заколупав. Блін, ну і стрес. Але відчуття прикольні. Ну, сама механіка. Щось. Це вже якийсь хардкор пішов. Все, я здох. Блін. Ну, круто, йо. Це прикольно. Механіка, ну і сам... Ну, блін, відчувається, це прикольно. Єдине, що, мабуть, не вистачає все-таки... Я недостатньо розумію звук наближення ворогів. Воно якось так не відчувається, чи це я ходжу, чи це саме вороги ходять. Тому що в них звук один і той самий, і воно путається. Тобто іноді я просто не замічаю, що ці падлюки вже поряд зі мною. Швиденько все зібрати. Блін. Блін, ну але це весело. Я тобі скажу, це достатньо весело. Так, а ну зараз мені треба відновити вікна назад. Так. Десь так. Так, нормально. Блін, ну. Запаузити, якщо треба налаштувати сенсову гучність. В принципі, з контент побачив, улетів. А в мене зараз пари, потім повернуся, якщо що, стрім буде йти. Да, успіху. Ні, я теж вже буду завершати мій стрім. Мені треба повертатись на роботу. Тому. Але дякую, що пошерив. Гра крута. Відчувається достатньо круто. Саме цей екшен. Він відчувається непогано. Такий собі bullet hell. Тому да. Okay, as I said, I'm not sure I will finish it today because I need to finish my stream. But yeah, we'll continue to process this transition state. I think tomorrow. Yeah. So yeah, please join. Please join me on my streams. I stream almost every weekday, except sometimes not every, but anyway, there is a schedule in the... Oh, someone followed me. Thank you for follow. Juicy Christ. Thank you for your follow. And yeah, дякую за follow. Yeah, I think that's the end of my stream. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.